You think I would have stopped him from blowing your head off?
Maybe sentimentality got the best of you.
Ain't my nature.
No. I guess not. Hey, so you being here is just gonna complicate shit. You should split.
What about them?
I'll let the sheriffs handle it. I'll keep you out of the mix, Clay. But these two are part of a murder investigation. It could land hard on the club.
He's got a 9mm slug in his head.
I put a 9 in his skull because he kept coming at me.
Okay. Watch your back, Wayne. Still want him out there.